I've noticed a lot of people asking how to use Nano Banana Pro for free, or even just the plain version of Nano Banana. What a lot of people will tell you, and this is technically correct, is that the best way to use Nano Banana for free is to sign up for a free account on a platform like 11 Labs. Now, don't get me wrong, I love 11 Labs, and you can use my affiliate link in the description to sign up if you want free access to their massive array of AI tools. But the easiest way to use Nano Banana is really through the Google apps themselves. I think people get confused because there is no Nano Banana app. However, you can use Nano Banana via both the Gemini AI app, which is available on mobile and desktop, or via Google Vids, which I believe is only accessible on a web browser. You can even use Nano Banana with these apps if you're using a free Google account, like a Gmail account. This is actually the easiest way for most people to use Nano Banana for free. Here we are in the free version of the Gemini AI app. You can access this via the Gemini mobile app as well, but I prefer working on my computer most of the time. I just provided Gemini with a simple prompt about a woman brainstorming business ideas, and Nano Banana produced this high-quality image in seconds. Here's another high-quality image example with an entirely different style. I used descriptors like technopunk cyborg to achieve this aesthetic. The issue with creating images in the Gemini app is that it always adds a Gemini AI watermark in the bottom right corner. Not to worry, we can fix this with Google Vids. When you start a new project in Google Vids, it looks like this. The interface here changes over time, so you may need to click on the icon that says Generate, or Images, or something like that. That opens the Google Vids image generator and editor, which is one of the best ways to access Nano Banana. To remove the Gemini watermark, go to Insert on the top menu and select Upload. This will load the image into the studio space. Here we have our lovely image of an entrepreneur coming up with her next big project. Once we've selected Edit Image, again the exact buttons may change over time. We can enter a simple prompt explaining what we want to change about the image. In this case, I'll ask for a minor lighting adjustment and for the watermark to be removed. And here's our new version of the image, ready to go, with no watermark at all. We can right-click the image while previewing to download it, or choose to replace the current image or add it as a new image to the project. Let's take a look at another example of removing the watermark with Nano Banana and then add some other customizations to this video. To get this result, I simply prompted it to remove the watermark and add more color contrast between the robot, his clothing, and the background. See how much more the new image catches the eye. If you used something like this in an ad creative, you can bet the one with the red jacket would get more clicks. Now let's have some fun and see what happens when we ask Nano Banana to change the robot's main color to gold. Wow, that worked really well. I think this image is actually sharper than the original. You can use these types of prompts to create consistent characters for comic strips, book covers, and anything else you need to sell online. It's easy to use the power of Nano Banana to add value to your existing products, or to boost your marketing and advertising creatives. Leave me a comment and I'll do my best to reply with any helpful advice that comes to mind. Now let's review what we covered in this video. Even if you just have a free Google Drive account, which is included in every free Gmail account, you can access the Gemini AI and Google Vids apps when logged into your Google account on desktop. You can also access Gemini via the mobile app on your smartphone. In the Gemini app, whether free or paid, whether on a computer or a mobile device, you can do research, generate text and high-quality images, and even code apps and web pages. Deep research is the best way to compile lots of data quickly, and Canvas mode is the best way to turn your data into something people will want to buy. Images from Nano Banana can be created via the Gemini AI app or via Google Vids, and any watermarks can be removed in the image editor in Google Vids. When you put a lot of data into a presentable format like an ebook, an educational app, or an online course, people will be happy to pay up to $100 for it, if the information is good and valuable to them, and presented in the right context. Thanks again for watching AI copywriting tools. Please remember to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, or want to request a specific tutorial. I'm always interested in having a conversation with you. See you again soon.